I used AI to create an invoice, something that will take me to the internet cafe for a cost, and it was done just in less than 5 minutes and completely for free. I partner with a Swiss brand and it's called Forecaster Terminal. I've made several videos about that brand, and usually they have been paying me via crypto, but this time they said I must first issue an invoice in order to receive or for them to process my payment. So they said, dear Wilberforce, I've checked your affiliate performance for the period from April 1st to June 2026 associated with a company called this one, and we are pleased to inform you that your total payout is 73.41, and proceeding with this payment, please issue and send your invoice to the following company details. And after getting that, at first I was like, oh no, I should pass via another person who has been paying me via crypto, and that was the accountant. The name's of Philip, and I wrote to him saying I was requesting payment processing for the outstanding affiliate commissions attached to this coupon code generated from 1st April to June 1st through my Ethereum wallet. If it is convenient for you, it will be the easiest possible way for me to receive my payout. As usual, thanks, Wilberforce. Alright, but he went ahead and said, responding to this email, and said, hey Wilberforce, I understand your request. However, you will need to forward us an invoice, right, to proceed. We cannot settle any further payments without supporting document from each supplier. These are internal procedures that I am unable to bypass. Okay, so I was like, oh my god, what should I do? So that's when I went to Gemini AI, right, and I had to take a screenshot of the other first email, right. I also included this amount because I got this amount. I also had approached them on WhatsApp. They were able to send me the screenshot of how much my affiliate commissions is. Okay, so I also attached that image, and I had to use this prompt. I'm an affiliate of Forecaster Terminal. It has been processing my payout via Ethereum wallet. I had to paste it there. Network Ethereum ERC20. Just by sending my wallet, I would receive my payout, but this time they need my invoice. In reference to the attached email and amount due, ask me, this is very important, ask me details. Okay, ask me details needed so that you can work on my invoice requesting my payment worth 73.41 euros. You see, why I was asking AI to also first ask me so that I don't give out a vague prompt, because garbage in, garbage out. Once you give an AI a fake, a poor quality prompt, it will give you poor quality output. So to avoid that, I ask AI to first ask or get data from me, get information from me that can rely on to, you know, generate the best output. So it said, congrats on your payout. It's always a good feeling to see those affiliate efforts convert, etc, etc. So it went ahead to say, to build this invoice for you, please provide the following details. So number one, your business or personal information, and it was including my name, my address, contact information, tax or ID number, which is optional, then the invoice metadata, the payment method details, just as simple as that. Okay, so of course I have a YouTube channel, the names of Power of Mindset. You'll see where you are watching this video from, but I preferred to use my personal names, because even when I was registering as an affiliate, I used my personal names. So coming back here, I had to provide the details as requested. So for example, my full name, my address, the email, phone number, the invoice number, I said generate one for me in a standard format and use today's date, which was 8th 2026. This is because from here it said if you don't have a system I can generate, okay, I can generate a standard format for you. So that's what I was telling it, okay, that you use a standard format for me, including this one. So this is exactly what he used. Then the invoice date, it was supposed to be the same date, June 8th. Okay, that's when I generated this invoice. So I went ahead by saying that the payment method used my Ethereum wallet and network provided, because earlier above, you remember, I had shared my Ethereum wallet here in my prompt, so it would be able to recall that. Okay, so after feeding in all that information, okay, so it went ahead and created the invoice. So I have successfully created your professional affiliate invoice and saved it to your Google Drive. But before saving it to Google Drive, it had to request me to connect this Gemini AI to my Google Workspace. Yes, I did that, and it was very simple. It's a matter of just tapping on connect to Google Workspace. Once it pops up, it includes the exact company billing specifications for ELP, SA, your personal details, and clearly flags your ERC20 Ethereum wallet as the destination for the 73.41 euros payout. And this is the invoice. So once I clicked on this one, which it generated directly to my Google Docs, guys, it was a fully written invoice, professional ones that I could even not manage working on in any internet cafe. Are you seeing, guys? So I think this is the invoice, right, including the invoice number, the date, okay, then my details here, okay, then my affiliate details, then the bill information that was within the screenshot from the email I had shared, okay, then everything, and even the Ethereum wallet. Okay, so once that was done, I went back to the email to respond to the company which was requesting me the details. Okay, as you can see, I said, hi Filippo, please find the attached invoice as requested, and this is the invoice I attached. And within a short time, guys, early in the morning the next day, they said, thanks Wilberforce, settled. Okay, and I confirmed received with thanks, because that's the video I have just published on my channel. Okay, for example, if you go to my channel, this is the video I have just published, how I was able to receive the funds and also how I withdraw the funds. It is titled Stop Struggling with the Crypto Withdrawals, Use this method. Okay, so that's it. That's how AI helped me to work on an invoice. You realize that in this era, AI can do more things for you. It has eased most of the things that will take us more time and money. So until next time, let me know in the comment section how you are using AI in your daily life and in your online hustles. See you on the flip side. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell icon for more upcoming videos.